Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we've got another box opening from Watchgang. Now I'm not sure if this is my Watchgang Black or I was actually kind of lucky enough to get a discount this month on Watchgang Platinum. So to be honest, the box feels super light, so I'm not sure what it is. It feels more like a regular subscription to me than a Black or definitely than a Platinum. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. I'm wearing my Aragon Skyguardian, and yes guys, I know I need to do a follow-up on this one. I've got quite a few videos, follow-up videos that I need to do, but anytime a box shows up, I would much rather do a box opening video than a follow-up video. So let's go ahead and crack this one open and see what we got. Also guys, the Keaton, the winner of the giveaway, I believe is going to do a box opening video of the watch he received, and I don't know when it's going to happen, but I'll end up letting you guys know and linking to it in the notes on one of these. Alright, so I got a box inside of a box here. Got a couple cards. Trendy Butler, so it looks like we can get off a discount from Trendy Butler. Not sure, but maybe I'll take a look at that. As you guys know, I like doing some other box openings. So this one's going to be my Black. And find out more information about your watch this month, visit there. So I might check out that site specifically to see if what kind of info they have on it. We'll set that aside and crack this open. So this is a TUW Ruhla, and they actually did TUW Ruhla last month for a lot of partners. It'll be interesting to see what I got this month. Kind of an interesting case. Got a little foam, got the book. Alright. Well, I can tell you one thing. I have seen some other people with the TUW Ruhlas this month. I don't know if I can get that off. But they have polished stainless. And mine is all black. So I'm actually pretty excited that I got a different case coloring, and even the mesh bracelet on this one is all black. Really a pretty sharp looking watch. Be interesting to see how this one goes. Is a automatic. Got the clear case back, so I like that. These clasps are a little weird. They're like kind of old school safety clasps, but very thick mesh bracelet on that one. I actually really like it. I wish I could get the plastic off easy. Almost looks like black chrome on the case there. Let's throw it on wrist really quick, and then I'll do some research on it, try and find some values, and do a follow-up video for you guys. Like I said, I know I have seems like I have about 10 follow-up videos I need to do, but it will happen here. Alright, take the Skyguardian off. It's a nice size for my wrist, honestly. I mean, that actually fits my wrist really well. So, pretty excited about it. What do you guys think of that one? Let me know in the comments. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.